Breaking news coming in. Sultan Ansari, who sold land in Ayodhya to Ram Temple Trust, is a Samajwadi Party worker. Ansari has already fought for a corporator seat on Samajwadi Party ticket. That's the latest coming in at this point of time. And you know, this is all coming in the middle of the Samajwadi Party and the Aam Aadmi Party accusing Ram Janmabhoomi Teerth Kshetra Trust of corruption in the land deal in Ayodhya, seeking a CBI probe in this particular matter. Samarth is joining us for the very latest. Samarth, on one hand, you've got the Samajwadi Party who wants a CBI probe in this particular matter, alleging a big scam. But on the other side, the story that is coming in is that Sultan Ansari, who sold the land to the Ram Temple Trust, himself is a Samajwadi Party worker. Samarth?
Though he did not do anything to discontinue his thing with Samajwadi Party, and also as we spoke to Sultan Ansari, he came up with the ideas and said that the land, the correct value of land currently, which was sold at around 18.5 crore to the trust, is somewhere around 24 crore. And due to his belief in Lord Rama, as he himself has been around in doing things for Ram Temple since years, so that is why he and his family decided to sold out the land, which is around worth rupees 24 crore in 18.5 crore to the trust. And on that, the point that opposition was raising since last 2 days, that how the number exceeded within the 10 minutes, he said that he was in touch with trust since months. So it was not a minute or second thing that the number exceeded from 2 crore to 18.5 crore. Also, India Today spoke to Javed, the first purchaser of the land, who sold out the entire land to Kusum Pathak and his family. He also told us that at that time, around 2001, the land costed around 1 crore, but as days followed up, the circle rate grew up and the land turned up around 2 crore in 2011. And thereafter, after the verdict of Apex Court in favor of Ram Temple, the land around, not only that particular land, entire Ayodhya's land price exceeded sky high. So these were the reasons which came out in the investigations done by India Today since today morning, that what trust was saying in the press release released yesterday and in the mobile bite given by Champat Rai himself, that trust is making each and every deduction from the bank online, so that there should be the transparency in the entire Ram Janmabhoomi Trust Kshetra thing. So as far as we are concerned, so far in the investigation done by India Today, it has been clearly stated out that yes, the land price was exceeded with time and trust took the land in some lesser amount as expected of rupees 24 crore. Yes.